how to fix the Flow app when it's not working. So the Android procedures is pretty much going to be quite similar from the iOS. We can go ahead and ensure our account is registered. So to do this, once you've opened the app, to our menu, which is this little guy in the top left, click our profile and tap continue. So you're going to pretty much have to sign up technically or create an account so that Flow would work a bit more properly. So if reinstallation is needed, you can go ahead and delete the app and install it. So before reinstalling, make sure your account is already registered. If reinstalling doesn't solve the issue, you can go ahead and send the following details to their team through support@flow.health. You can do this through Gmail. You can also do this in their contact us here in the help option in our profile. All the way down here, press contact us. And you can pretty much just do this, your account, what is your query about, and the details of your issue. Now, quite similar to the iOS, just go open the settings on your device though. Go to privacy, then tap analytics and improvements and select analytics data. Scroll to the list and find Flow events. Tap the most recent event of the Flow application, then tap the share icon at the top right. You can go ahead and email the log to support@flow.health with Flow crash logs in the subject line. The logs will help the support team investigate and resolve the issue. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.